Hello friends, how are you doing? Hope so all of you are doing well. And in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix portable hotspot or mobile hotspot not working problem in Vivo Y21. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more videos. So if you are facing mobile hotspot or portable hotspot not connecting problem or not working problem in Vivo Y21, simply first of all you just need to go to settings and then go to hotspot settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to fix this problem.